Hi guys, I did not expect that I am already 20 years old. Nakalimutan ko guys, like literally, I swear. I even forgot I'm already second year sophomore, which means we are already in a halfway through in college. Which is time literally flies so fast. Like I could the memories during my freshman era is still fresh in my mind. Like it's still in my mind, and I don't really feel that I'm in sophomore, which is so surprising. I'm currently on my day two first few days as a sophomore, so which means more on orientation lang kami. I swear to God. Even me, I can't believe that I am already 20 years old, guys. I'm already done with my teenage years. Sabi ko, guys, wait, let me just pause for a sec. Because, bakit ganun, like, super duper fast pacing ng life ng tao? Can we just pause for the meantime and just have a slow progress? Kasi masyadong fast pacing. I'm not saying na because I want to chill. Kaya gusto kong i-slow muna yung time. I just want to slow it para mas lalong namnamin and i-grasp to be prepared much more. Well, anyways, that is life. I can't deny it. By the way, I got here my notebook. It's color pink. I love pink. I'm in love with pink. Who says I don't like pink? Who says I don't like pink? Maybe you. But yeah, I love pink. So I brought obviously pink. And I paired it with a pink sticker. This one is pink. I don't know if this is a pink. I don't know. But it's still a cat there. So I got here. Dinesignan ko siya because ayoko naman yung typical college students yung napaka-serious sa life na I don't want that. So, I'm gonna brag it na I did this. Kasi gusto ko lang guys to be a little bit creativeness. Gusto ko lang may a little bit spark just to remind myself na wag mo naman grabe sobrahan. Like, parang adult na talaga. Parang pabalik ka na sa parang na-embrace mo na yung quote na papunta ka palang pabalik ka na. So, I don't want that. Gusto ko, papunta pa lang tayo. Kasi I'm constantly learning, guys. Okay? I'm constantly learning. Yeah? Masyado naman ako nag-overthink. Kasi guys, may napanood lang ako ng video a vlogger that even though she's already 38, but she still feel on her 20s, which is scary, right? And that's how I could tell na sobrang bilis talaga. Because although you could see that person in an adult body, but inside of it, if you look inside internally, there's a child stuck on a adult body. So we have to, evolve. That's what I'm doing. I have to evolve myself. Ayokong masabi ko yun sa sarili ko na mayroong child. Yeah, meron naka-stuck, but the mentality, I don't want to have that kind of childish mentality. Because, yeah, I don't want. Okay. August 5 ako nag 20th birthday. Hindi ko alam kung i-display ko ba yung photos ko dito. Ewan ko i-edit ko ba tong photos ko with my 20th birthday. But, yeah. Super duper happy celebration. Because celebration din na ni tatay. It's his debut birthday din. It's his 80th birthday. So, pinag-combine din. And kay kuya rin. So, ayun nga. Going back to my college, tapos na ako ngayon sa class. I have 3 classes today na online class. I already finished theirs. Ang weird na kasi. I already finished theirs things na yung online class Kaya ako naka-earbuds, guys. Kung napansin nyo lang. And yeah. Ibabrag ko nga pala itong notebook ko. It's color pink. And by the way, this is only 69 pesos ata. Basta wala pa siyang 100. 69 pesos, 180 libs na ata or 160. I don't know, somewhere there. And dinrawingan ko nga, sinabi ko na butterfly. Why did I draw butterfly? Because I just really love. I'm so mesmerized by their wings. It's like they're being a piece of art whilst they're flying. Like, kung makakakita ng gantong butterfly na like this, it would literally immediately stop what you're doing. So yeah, because they have a unique aura, a very smooth sailing movement, elegance. Yeah. And I put here a quote. Kayo na lang bahala magbasa niyan kasi. Sige, okay. I will read it. So somewhere in my thoughts or childhood, I must have done something good. I just got it from Pinterest. So credit sa owner ng ng reference na ginamit ko. But I love it. You can see. Nireplenish ko lang din yung art ko. And as you all know, lumipat na ako ng section. I am from 1C. 1C. I could 1C you. And lumipat ako sa 2B. 2B section ng second year na ako. So I just want to explore. And kasi masyado na siyang comfortable to me if I will be stuck on that section. So I want to get out from my comfort zone and challenge myself and follow ko na yung what I desire to myself more. And I put here a quote that I would constantly remind myself. Sometimes you need to get uncomfortable to get comfortable. And I don't have the need to be acceptable. And my third quote is, stick with your non-negotiable high standards. So what I'm referring to that is yung mga person na i-accept ko to step in my life, which are friends. I would always set standard. I don't care kung gaano pa kayo karami. But if you don't meet my standard, well, goodbye. And I always remind myself, Mother Liz is with me, surrounding my aura. Si Mother Liz talaga nagre-remind sa akin. And of course, God. I always remind myself to always thank God. And if I am asking for something, I'll just ask God. And yeah, nag-notes taking na ako in advance para may konting information akong alam about sa mga topics. Konti pa lang naman yung nagagamit ko dito so far. And naglagay rin ako dito ng money. Of course, money is important. Of course, parati ko na-remind sarili ko, Mother Liz. Because she's my number one mentor of everything, every aspects in my life. Get to know yourself episode of the Confidence Baby. If you know the Confidence Baby episode, you could definitely relate to whatever I'm going to say here. If you don't like me, fine. I like myself better. Yeah. Yun lang pala yung quote na nilagay ko about sa sinabi ni Mother Liz dun. If you know the Wizard Liz, I would definitely give you respect. Because, I don't know. Saranghi. Did you know that you're dreaming with brain awake? Double, triple times ako nung ano dun. Sabi ko, yeah, oo nga no. It's dream when the brain is awake, and it also dream when the brain is asleep. So I got this quote from the book, The 4 Agreements. Be impeccable with your word. Don't take anything personally. Don't make an assumption. Do your best. Always do your best. Those are the 4 agreements. And pinaka-favorite ko out of theirs is the number 1, be impeccable. Parang halos lahat naman. Pero para sa akin yung pinaka-nag-stand out is be impeccable. Yeah. Guys, by the way, if you're setting standard to yourself, I would suggest na you have to write it on your notebook na wherein may kita mo kaagad. Kasi may mga times na makakalimutan mo talaga yung mga sinet mo ng standards mo before going into somewhere, some places na, yeah, for example, in school. May mga times talaga na makakalimutan mo yung mga sinet mo na standards sa brain mo whilst you're not on the highest peak of that immersion. So, in order for you to remember and to remind yourself, just write it down on your notebook. And effective yun sa akin, guys, if I will remind myself. And yeah, so far, I don't feel any drain after nung class. Kasi I remember during my first year, I felt slightly drained kasi I have this kind of desperate mentality. Desperate magkaroon ng friend. And sa sobrang desperate ko, although I'm not saying but it's not fully she's my ideal friend of mine, and hindi talaga siya yung pinaka super pasok sa standard ko na friend. So that is why I changed myself immediately in second year. And so far, guys, nag-iba yung scope ng eye ko whilst I'm reading all the standard. And yeah, although meron nag-offer sa akin na to be with them, and I immediately finalo ko yung standard ko finalo ko yung rules ko So, ang nangyari, I immediately cut them off. And I did not force myself to be with them. Kasi na-sense ko na kaagad na, this is not my standard of a friend. So, I immediately cut them off without any hesitation. But in a respectful way. I did not say anything na to disrespect them, to insult them. No. If you want to cut off someone, or you don't want to decline on their I would highly suggest to make it in a very respectful way. Like, for example, they offer you, tara, join with us to buy foods, and yung nakastick sa plan mo is sa library after class. Kasi yun talaga yung original plano ko, guys. After class, I want to go on the library. If no one likes me to go with the library, then I will go on the library by myself. And if someone offers me to go somewhere, well, I would stick to my own decision, to my own plan. Nilista ko talaga, guys, yung original plan ko. Saan ko ba nilagay yan? So, somewhere. Ito. Nilagay ko talaga, my routine every Wednesday. Sit at front of with your book. Sinulat ko talaga, guys. So, ang nangyari, yun nga, nagkatotoo nga. Nagkatotoo nga na sinunod ko yung standard or yung set plan ko within that day. Although sometimes talaga hindi siya magiging perfect. And yeah, I felt relieved kasi I'm getting started to trust myself more, and hindi na ako nagiging desperate having a friend. And may nasisense na rin ako ng mga ibang tao na, yeah, they have these quality traits. But I'm not gonna force myself to be with them, okay? So it's okay to be alone. It's okay if you don't have friends. Hindi na ako masyadong tumatawa sa mga, never really force myself anymore to laugh at any nonsense jerk. Iba na din kasi talaga, guys, yung humor ko. So if someone's making jerk of something like this kind, hindi na akong tumatawa, guys. Although dati, smiling person ko no high, but deep inside, do you consider that as a jerk? But, of course, with respect pa din. If you don't laugh, just give your neutral face. Hindi naman yung disgusting face. Just give your neutral face. Basta, I no longer force myself. If I want to be silent, and if I don't want to talk with this person, I just simply don't talk. If you feel mo na awkward, be brave enough to be awkward with this person. And I'm so glad I immediately done that within the first day of my school. Kasi pre-promise ko na talaga, guys. It's so extremely exhausting to fake yourself. Mas nakakapagod pang to fake yourself rather than to be authentic self. Okay. So, if someone insults you, wag kang tumawa, guys. Never laugh at their joke. It's either you ask them what's funny about what you just said, or just ignore them. Just give them a neutral look. Yeah. So those are the things that I applied during my first day of school, the sophomore. Kasi what I said to myself, I will take my life seriously now. Because we're adult. Oh, hindi ko naman sinabi adult na, I mean yung serious na sinasabi. Serious in a romantically way. Like Elwoods. Sino pa ba? Paris, Rory. Guys, meron akong inspiration, of course. Kung meron kayong, if you want some inspiration for woman, femininity, aura, ayan nga, mag-find kayo ng mentor on YouTube. Guys, ang dami ng mga pwedeng mga ano dyan. Pati rin si Tom Core, I read her book. Oh, I love her book. You can just find it. If you don't, you can find it. I would highly suggest start with Mother Liz, the Wizard Liz. I just found her during 2023, grade 11 ako. Grade 12 ata ako. At senior high school ako. I felt lost during that time kasi, I don't know. So, during my tough times, I found Mother Liz. And always remember humility and resilience in your journey. Guys, be humble. Okay? Again, there's type of person who's faking till you make it. Bala kayo nakapagod yun. It would literally drain you. So, I no longer do that. Those things, you fake it till you make it. When you're neutral, impressing yourself, just impress yourself. Never impress anyone, guys. Wala nang pake kung if they're gonna say, whatever comment they're gonna give you, blah, blah, blah. Chika man. I don't care at them anymore. Although wala naman akong kaaway, thankfully. Kasi I don't really engage any fight, any arguments. So far, guys, thankfully, wala talaga akong kaaway. Kasi what's the point of it, right? It's just literally gonna drain you, suck all your energy, and it's a waste of life. Set standard to yourself. If it's high, middle, or small, kayo na bahala dyan. I would suggest to write it on your notebook, notes, or ilagay nyo sa wallpaper ng phone nyo to remind yourself kung anong standard. Kasi minsan talaga, guys, humihiwi yung brain natin. Humihiwi yung sarili natin na hindi sinusunod yung standard natin. For you to remember what's standard, always remember your standard are non-negotiable. You're not cheap. Huwag ka makikipag-negotiate sa mga person na never cannot meet your standard with those low vibrational person. Because you're here, remember. So never. If you saw a person with this level, or with this level higher than you, well, I would suggest to try to associate with them, to try to engage. If you see the aura is giving, the personality is giving, it's, alam nyo na yan sa sarili ninyo kung anong standard na hinahanap ninyo for the friendship or any relationship. Okay? That's it. By the way pala, guys, I highly recommend to read Let Them Theory. Last ko na yan. That's it. Bye!